Part 5. It is critical to understand the events that began to unfold following Michael Allen's hearing on April 29, 2025. So what happened after Michael complained in open court to Judge Gull about his attorney, Nicholas Podlaski, blatantly ignoring help from organizations that could assist at trial, and not having access to his discovery just 36 days before trial? To answer that, we have to look at what was said in that transcript. Michael explained on the record that multiple reputable organizations had reached out to Nicholas to assist with the case, and Nicholas never responded to any of them. Rather than address this honestly, Nicholas tried to redirect the court's attention by saying that Michael wanted a paper copy of his discovery. Nicholas claimed the discovery was available to Michael on a jail tablet. When Michael denied this, Nicholas deflected, raising the local Allen County discovery rule, which prevents a defendant from receiving a paper copy of their discovery. Under this rule, if you are accused of a crime, you are not allowed to have a personal copy of the evidence against you. You are restricted to viewing it only with your attorney. This creates a dangerous systemic trap. How productive is this rule if your attorney doesn't respond to you? Let's pause right here. We need to talk about exactly how unavailable and unresponsive this attorney was for months, because it wasn't just an accusation. Michael put it in writing. On February 17, 2025, almost a month after his last court date, January 23, 2025, Michael wrote a letter to Nicholas and said, "What are we doing as far as trial? What are we arguing? What is the game plan? Because I haven't heard from you or your legal team, even though I've been reaching out to your office. If I could be honest, I still do not feel comfortable going to trial with you as my attorney. I feel that you and your boss, William Librato, have it out for me, honestly. You and I have never been on good terms. There's too much bad blood between us to continue this unhealthy relationship. I've always felt as if you are working with the state when it comes to my case. In 4.5 years, I've lost my daughter, Kaivani, my first 3 sons. Mom was murdered in 2023, and I also lost my son 22 days after my first trial, in 2024. I can't stress this to you enough that my children cannot lose me too. I am innocent, and I need an attorney who's willing to fight in the courtroom to prove that. Not someone who fails to object or properly present evidence to the courts. So could you please remove yourself from my case before my second trial?" There were others where he states the same thing. Michael did not want Nicholas on his case. Michael could not reach Nicholas. Michael just wanted his lawyer to do his job.